Hello everybody. We are back again with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I turn this wig into profits, honey. So first, let's go ahead and comb this unit out. So this is how it looks and how I get it started. So the purpose of combing it out, you need to see your canvas. You need to see how this is going to lay out and how you're going to cut it, how you're going to style it. And as you can see, it starts out as really nothing. It doesn't have really a lot of body, but here we go. So you are first going to trim that hair down, and this is a single blade razor. Y'all see me use this a lot. So then I always go in and begin cutting and shaving down. Now your safety zone, you're always going to start at the bottom, and this applies to anything that you do when it in regards to shaving down a quick weave, a wig, anything that you are going to do that's kind of like short hair. You're definitely going to want to go in and start lower first before you go too far up. So spray that wig down because you want to preserve your product and you don't want to have any build up either. This water is going to dilute that, but you don't want to wet this hair all the way down so that it's soaking wet, because is going to take forever to dry. So go in with your Aunt Jackie's foam wrap lotion and put it on the hair. Now, whenever you do this, you want to make sure that you get it everywhere. And when I say everywhere, you want to make sure that you mold it down really, really nicely, because this is going to help set everything in place. It's going to help set it down. And also you want to pull it through that long hair as well. But again, you're not going to waste a lot of product because it's already damp. So you're going to dry that for about an hour underneath the dryer. And then you're going to comb it out. And this is going to help you see, like, use your design essentials. And you want to use a lightweight washing, even if you don't use the design essentials. This is what I prefer. But you're going to comb that out. You want to see how everything is laying. And of course, everything is going to look crazy before it gets to the good part. But this is what you do. You're going to comb it out. So this is wig designing. This is not wig making. Wig making, you are doing all of the work, like literally constructing from start to finish. And it's very time consuming. With wig designing, you're not going to go through all of that. You are allowing your manufacturers to work for you. And this is what I do. So this is why it's called Wig Design Profits, because it's going to make you money quickly. You're going to be able to scale quickly whenever you are doing this. I literally scaled my business to 6 figures in less than 6 months. Like, no lie. And I will be showing you the numbers in just a second, because
so with this tutorial, this is an alley cart tutorial, and it coincides with my Wig Design Profits business model course that I will be launching on March 31st. So this is my Stella Pro mini irons, and
but I like to give people options.
This flat iron is the bomb.com. Whenever you are doing any type of pixie wig, this is definitely one of those must-have irons that you want to have and on your workstation to work with. So I am pulling that hair down.
So this is definitely one of those jewels that can help you as well. So if you're doing wigs and your mannequin is sliding and turning all around, put some type of fabric cloth or a dome cap like I did. Put it on there so that it has that grip so that you can properly flat iron that hair how you need to. So yeah, so you are going to continue combing that out. So you have to always go in and separate that hair and establish where you are going to begin curling that hair. For me, I try to stop right at the middle of the head in the back, right at that occipital bone, because I like to start building my volume there. And this is what's going to set that hairstyle in place and give you that shaping and volume that you want. So here we go. We're going to do the math. So I did a sale back in May, and this is screenshots directly from my Wix dashboard. So my first payout that I had, it was $6,949.05. Then I had another payout of $1,076.84. I had an additional payment of $7,537.39. I received another payment for $1,867.31, and my final payment for May was $2,333. I ended up with $19,764 in a month. So yeah, this is definitely something that's very lucrative. If you're a stylist and you're looking for that exit plan, and you're trying to set that foundation for retirement, but you don't want to lose touch with your craft, because regardless of what, you are working to not be behind that chair the rest of your life. Period. That's just what it is. And this is what's going to help you scale that way where you can do this on your own time. You can do this in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to have a license to do this at all. When I started doing this, I was doing it on YouTube for free. Yeah, I was doing it for free. And then one day I realized, I'm like, wait a minute, I could turn this into a business. And I scaled it just as that. So over time, I went through the trial and the error, going through everything that you can possibly name, like disputes, fighting the bank, trying to get my money. People, they're going through all of these things where, any type of error, I've been through it when it comes to this, because this is something that no one taught me. I learned this on my own. I went through the steps, the learning, the ins and outs. So I help you inside of my course that's going to be launching on March 31st. I literally go in and give you the fine blueprint. You're going to follow my framework in building your business model around wig design, because that's what it is. It's not just a course. It's not that. It's an entire wig design model. So whenever you get it, you're going to understand exactly what I'm saying. But this tutorial is my creative design. And what I do with these, and you can go to my website and look at all the designs that I've created, and you'll see exactly, like, it's going to spark your creativity. And that's what wig design is. You're being able to take your time and create, because honestly, this is like a stress reliever for me. I love doing it. And you have to love what you do. No matter what it is, you have to love what you do. And I love doing this. So yeah, like, I would definitely love to see all of you guys in the Wig Profits, in my Wig Design Profits business model. So be on the lookout for that. And if you are interested, type in the comments wig design, so we can get on this journey to making you guys some millionaires and allow this to be your next testimony. So yeah, go in with your curling iron. And this is the 1 and 1.5 inch iron. And what I do when I'm curling, I take my time. And the reason you do that is because, just like how people love those Marcel irons, you want that heat to get through all of that hair. And of course, it's electric, so it's not going to get as hot as a Marcel iron. But if you take it really, really slow and you section that hair out in a smaller section and not do too much, you'll definitely get that same effect. And whenever I'm curling my wigs, the curls last even through shipping. Like, I go through all of that even in there. I show you how to package those wigs. I show you how to ship those wigs. I go through the building of your website, giving you those templates, showing you how to really escalate this business really, really quickly. Like, you can get this up and running in less than a week. That's it. Like, and the prerequisites of it, you basically just need to know how to style and have a creative mind in doing this, because what I'm doing, this is showing you my way of how I do it, and you're going to use this to spark the creativity to do yours. So this is my model. So just use it to give you that styling skill, to give you that foundation. So yeah. So this is pretty much the finished look for this wig. If you've seen it, this is one of my best sellers, Miss Marie. Yeah, she's done it for me. I'm shocked, because it's always sold out, and that's just what it is. But I've created this wig in different variations, and you'll learn that when you get your best seller, you make sure you ride that wave. So keep that in mind. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. Like I said, I'll leave all of the links to everything in the comment section, so you can get an idea of what you want, and go to my website and kind of, look around and kind of see how I've done and scaled my business and build your catalog. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until the next time, you guys, thank you so much for always being supportive of the channel. And we are here to learn. So don't forget that I have a tier. The legacy tier is where you are going to learn everything in real time.